May 2019. Days with Lemon. Elizabeth. With a few days of school left, consisting of pretty much nothing to do during the waiting portion of it, spending time with my birds would be the best use of my time for sure. While I ate my apple slices that my dad cut up for me, I made up a game on the spot, tricking my birds. Bluey seemed eager enough to hop onto my hand like a cute out-of-the-ordinary rabbit, so I held it out for him to sniff it. The number one rule was to eat it right before their saliva got to it. It was to train my reflex skills. Bluey, do you want it? He reached up, and when I saw his tongue, I ate the apple slice in one go, somehow, even though I had been told my mouth was small. He narrowed his eyes, but the next one was all for him, with no trick up my sleeve. I held it up again and placed it on top of his cage where it was easily accessible. The previous day was all about Lemon, so I thought it was a time for a balancing challenge. After all, the sun and sky are high up. Even 1,000 knees might not even be able to catch it. I showed him the apple with Bluey eating it to Lemon, because I had heard that birds learn and follow each other's footprints. To my slight disappointment, he looked away. Okay, maybe it's because he's traumatized by Bluey biting him, and eating what he ate would give him more defenselessness. I handed him a fresh piece that I cut down smaller than his beak. Same response. My mom announced that I could help her make some funfetti cupcakes, breaking my feeling of worry. These were my favorites, but Lemon's actions never left my mind.
Bluey. Elizabeth went to the kitchen and carried a plate of cheesy semicircles. I was curious if she offered them to me, but she pulled them away. No, you fell for a trap, Bluey. How could she do such a thing to me? She gave me another one and didn't take it back for quite a while. My inner voice urged me to take precautions, but I couldn't resist because she ate it right in front of me, proving it was edible. It wasn't a trick this time, thank goodness. I munched on my piece of fruit with a heartful smile within, but Lemon didn't seem at all interested in it when Elizabeth gave him one. Lemon, tell me what's wrong.
It's about time you deserve the secret of knowledge. My time is almost up.
My heart dropped emotionally. Why was I so mean to him? Jealousy was an answer option, but it was nowhere near as competitive as death. I used to think of him as an outsider and a target, but after what he told me, I changed my mind. Is it too late now to alter my actions?
Lemon. Watching Bluey get tricked was supposedly comical, but my health deteriorated. There was a vet, but I was afraid it would be too late once we got there. I didn't want to cause trouble, only to find out that my time on Earth ended along the way. Know-it-all. You must tell Bluey then. He could deliver the message to Elizabeth, and then she could inform her mom. You're right. When Elizabeth attempted to give me apples, I refused, hoping to give her a sign of a loss of appetite. The other part of me was happy that she gave both Bluey and me food, but eating forcefully to make the other party feel better about themselves wouldn't be the best idea. The pain inched down to my stomach, the reason why I couldn't eat. To be fair, I wanted the pain to be hunger-related, but it was not. Elizabeth accepted it and moved on to whatever else she had planned that day with her mom.
Lemon, tell me what's wrong.
It's about time you deserve the secret of knowledge. My time is almost up. My heart was where the illness attacked next, and most likely second to last before my last chance to talk to Bluey approached. My lungs functioned well, so breathing hadn't become a difficulty yet. It was usually the last symptom, or it could be my eyes. I wasn't so sure myself.
Know-it-all. Tell your older brother. I can sense he's going to come after you.